Hey guys, this is 2015 model Nissan Altima. I got the problem. Engine is cracked, but engine is not running. And I watched a couple videos. First, I checked the battery, and it was good, but maybe there wasn't another problem. So I changed the battery. Engine started. Well, after 2 days, my wife called me. This car is not start again. I spent one day. What's the problem? And I decided the problem is from fuel pump. It was pumping, but very low. So before that, I checked everything. Fast tag. I used the fast tag. I changed the all spark plug and coil. But problem is, when you're thinking that from the fuel pump, first try this starting fluid directly from this air filter housing, and push in the inside directly, and you will see engine will be start. So right now I'm trying to fix this fuel pump, because this is very expensive, $600 aftermarket. This is the celluloid. You can buy any celluloid, or I am trying to fix this. This filter was very dirty, very dirty, and I will see if it's work or not. But it's very easy to fix this fuel pump. You don't need to buy the whole thing. I think let's do this. Yeah, if you can find this celluloid or this, can you clean up this filter? I think it's clean. This can be clean, because there is no any space for block this filter. Just clean or put on the inside the cleaning fluid one night. I think it will be solved. Thank you so much. I am trying to show this video because I didn't find exactly what I have to do in. I am the little mechanic, but first I have to see in the way. So this starting fluid I bought it from the Advanced Auto, but I think everywhere has this. And try it and see how is your fuel pump. Thank you.